Good day and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Sabian Vault V-Crash 19-inch, and as you can already tell, we got some crack damage right here. So the way we're gonna repair that, we're gonna wave it out. But before we do, let's give this little simple sound test. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a faint humming sound coming from the crack area. So let's give this little symbol a fix. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Sabian Vault V-Crash 19-inch. As you can tell, the crack has been smoothed out. It's now as smooth as butter. So, let's give this little simple sound test. Sounds pretty good to me.